What is it called? El Festival Callejero. Something like that.
Claro. Y ese
como Bilbao. This is the one that, yeah, if we were gonna eat here, this is the one that I was gonna eat at. Truck O Trado. Hot dogs.
Rated number 2 in the hot dog league.
Yeah. And you see how they sprinkle it with whipped cream on top? Almost. I would probably get El Ibérico if I were to get one. How about you? You'd probably get this one. Crispy chicken.
Yeah, maybe.
Let's go look at all these food trucks. It's for you guys. It's for the folks. El abuelo. La gojineta. Lomo loco. Plan B. It's reminiscent of California contraception. This is El Enrollado.
Que no falte de nada.
Spanish lifestyle in full effect. In case you guys were wondering how it goes down, here you go. Take a glimpse at the crowd right here. Dogs. Chicks in what, 8-inch heels and leopard print. Mexican and Colombian food truck right here. I never know this. That could be Ecuadorian flag. I don't know. You can never distinguish. Another burger spot. Región Pampa. Which one would you guys pick so far of these? Let me know in the comments. Which one would you guys pick to eat? First time that's happened. I got vlogged.
Oh, yeah?
Huh?
What do you call these little vendors?
I would call them entrepreneurs. How about you? That's a good way of describing them too. Some would say this is the greatest gift that Spain gave to the world, the guitar. Oh, you don't like goat cheese, huh? I wonder if she sells actual magic mushrooms. Hit her up. She probably does, low key. That's like a front. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a Santander evening here, Saturday evening. Let me know what's up in the comments. Let me guys know if you guys enjoyed this type of video, and I'll keep making them. It's just my life, man. This is my home city. It's not my hometown, but it's my home city. So check it out. Spanish chicks. Deep in Cantabria. Labag. Got your tacos in his own. Deep in Santander.
But you're probably right.
Man, look, she's skills. You got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good, yeah. Skilled. That's talent right there. Huh?
Yeah.
What team's that? Morocco?
No, I mean the colors, I don't think so.
No? What team is it?
My cousins juggle and do this type of stuff.
Your cousins?
Well, my cousin and her ex-husband now, Laura. Laura was a big juggler.
Your American cousin
Yeah.
would do this?
Yeah, juggler and fire stuff.
What?
But probably back before you knew me.
It's crazy, yeah.
We've been together a long time.
So they were slumming it? Like you had, like they would,
No, but like it was their weekend gigs.
Oh, weekend gig, all right. I mean, they obviously love being creative and having fun, so I don't judge that. Yeah, some people do it out of necessity. That's what I thought. That's why I was a little surprised.
They used to always come and do shows at Thanksgiving.
This is cool, dude. I mean, it's entertaining. I love fire. It's a good vibe, huh? I'm glad we decided to come here. Hotel Bahia in the background.
They were slumming it.
Check out the diamond ring on the Dawn.
Kiss the pinky ring, baby.